because we have nowhere to go. Look at the playground, it's floating away over there. The bridge is collapsed. We're screwed.
Insane.
We're at the bar. Look at it, it's like a raging river. Look at it. Look at the daycare across the street. The water's going up in the windows. And there goes the playground. It's floating away.
I cannot believe that plastic one's still there.
And Seymour.
I'm surprised that plastic one is still there that didn't go yet. It's moved. Oh, it's getting lifted up now. There it goes. It keeps on. My God.